Sodium silicate. Ethanol. Glycerin. Aloe Vera Gel. Fragrance, blue water. Colorant. Pour to 5 ml ethanol into clean bottle. You are welcome to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Do me a favor, please, like, share, and comment. Always cover the bottle to avoid much evaporation. Add 15 ml glycerin. Add 15 ml sodium silicate. Please don't forget to subscribe. Add 30 ml Aloe Vera Gel. If you use fresh aloe vera gel, then add a preservative. You can also use aloe powder. Add 5 ml fragrance. Choose any fragrance that you love. I use blue water. Use colorant mildly. I chose sky blue. Cover the bottle and shake well. Leave it to stand for 30 minutes and it's ready for use. Video and share. Use cotton wool to apply after shavings. Keep away from children. Thanks for watching. Bye.